Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dominique Martin, a licensed therapist, and today we're diving into something that can sometimes make or break your relationship. And that's the words we use when communicating with our partners. My goal by the end of this video is to break down 8 phrases that can harm your relationship and give you some tips to what to say instead. These phrases can help you improve the way you communicate. So, if you're ready to start taking the steps to create the relationship you want, confirm it by tapping that like button and subscribing to this channel. All right, let's unpack it. So, we all say things we don't mean sometimes, especially in the heat of an argument. But certain phrases can do real damage to trust, emotional safety, and connection. So, before we get into the specific phrases, let's talk about why words matter so much in a relationship. It matters because what you say affects the way your partner feels about you and themselves. And it affects the level of trust and safety in your relationship and how easily you can resolve conflict. So I know you might be wondering why they come up in the first place. The truth is that we sometimes say things that hurt our partners without realizing it. Like when we feel hurt or when emotions are high or even phrases we grew up hearing. Okay, so now that we have a better understanding of why our words matter, let's get into some phrases that can harm your relationship and what to say instead. Okay, phrase 1. You're overreacting or you're too sensitive. This phrase is harmful because it minimizes or dismisses your partner's feelings and makes them feel unheard or invalidated. So instead, you can say something like, I see this is really affecting you. Help me understand how you feel. Okay, phrase 2. I don't care. This phrase is harmful because it shuts down communication and makes your partner feel unimportant. So you can maybe say something like this instead. I care about what matters to you. This isn't something I fully understand, but I want to hear your perspective. Okay, phrase 3. You always or you never. This phrase is harmful because it generalizes behavior and it makes your partner feel defensive. So instead, you could say something like, I've noticed that this happens often, and it's something that I would like for us to work on together. Okay, phrase 4. It's all your fault. This phrase is harmful because it shifts blame or responsibility and creates defensiveness. So instead, you could say something like, I know we both played a role in this. Let's figure out a solution together. Okay, phrase 5. You should know how I feel or know what to do. And this phrase is harmful because it assumes your partner is a mind reader. So instead, you can say something like, I like to share what's on my mind so we can understand each other better. This takes the pressure off of having to assume. Okay, phrase 6. I make all the sacrifices in this relationship, or I'm the one doing everything. This phrase is harmful because it creates guilt instead of problem solving. So instead, you could say something like, I feel like I've been given and doing a lot, and I would like to talk about how we can balance things out. Okay, phrase 7. You don't do anything right. This phrase is harmful because it is critical and demotivating. So instead, you could say something like, I appreciate the effort you put in. I would like it if we work together to improve this. Okay, phrase 8. Saying I'm done or I'm over this or I'm over you when you don't mean it. This is harmful because threatening to end the relationship, even if you don't mean it or have no intention of following through, creates insecurity and instability. And your partner may struggle to trust you or feel like you will abandon them. So instead, you could say something like, I'm frustrated right now and I need a break before we continue this conversation. It is absolutely necessary to be mindful when communicating with our partners because the way we communicate can shape our relationship. And these small shifts in language can make a huge difference in how you and your partner interact and connect. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe. And if you're going to start taking the steps to create the relationship you want, comment below. Which of these phrases surprised you? I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, stay motivated and I'll see you on the next video.